Hey guys, Johnny here. Welcome to our mini-series featuring the beautiful St Regis Maldives. In our last video, we did a resort walkthrough. This time, we'll go over the dining options, room tour, and most importantly, how to book this resort on points. So follow me, and let's go to paradise again. Welcome back to paradise, otherwise known as the St Regis Maldives Vommuli Resort, where the sands are soft, villas are huge, and you still didn't subscribe to my channel. But to continue on our journey, our butler Sarir showed us some of the dining options here on the island. First, we're at Alba, the resort's main restaurant that serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The breakfast here is particularly good with options from both the buffet and an all-you-can-eat a la carte menu. If you are a Marriott Bonvoy Platinum Elite member or above, you will get this $65 meal every day for free. To learn more, please subscribe to the channel. For lunch, a good spot to relax and have a quick bite is Crust and Craft, the resort's very own pizza and burger joint. Since we always overeat at breakfast, we often come here to have something light in the afternoon. During happy hour, most people come to the whale bar to watch the sunset and the so-called champagne sabering ritual. We also stay for dinner one night. Given its name, the menu kept true to its ocean theme and offered mostly seafood. However, while it's nice to watch the sunset from the deck, it got a little windy later at night for dinner. Because of that, we look for other dinner options. If you're craving Asian food, you're in luck. The St. Regis Maldives has two Asian restaurants, Oriental and Tipang. We opt for Oriental, which offers a wide range of different cuisines from many different Asian countries. However, if you're up for an ultra-luxe Japanese kaiseki meal, then Tipang will be your choice. You also can't go wrong with dinner back at Alba. It offers an international fare and everything was so delicious. Since we were in the middle of the Indian Ocean, I had to try some Indian food, and I loved it. Unfortunately, we didn't try the Middle Eastern restaurant Cargo. I really like Middle Eastern food and I'll definitely have to give it a try next time I come back. And finally, we made it to our sunset overwater villa. If you just want to learn about how to use points to redeem for this resort, feel free to skip ahead. Now let's go see what a room in paradise looks like. Alright guys, so yeah, we made it here to the St. Regis. So the seaplane ride turns out to be quite a breeze actually. It wasn't shaky at all, so nothing to worry there. So we just got in and I thought, hey, why don't we just do the room tour right now? So let's go. We are room number 539 and this is a sunset villa, sunset over the water villa. We did get an upgrade. So we have complimentary bicycles which help us get around. So we had that at the Waldorf as well when we came last year. So let's get in here, get the key card, and look at that view from the room. Okay, so let's start here. It's got a nice large desk and the mini bar is here. So these are not free. I already put a bottle of water in there. It's pro tip, put water in the fridge so you get ice water. And we got a bunch of wine, some snack here. These are all not complimentary, so do have to pay for these. Over here, these are complimentary. So water, the coffee, and we'll show you guys the coffee and tea. And we got some cups and some more cups here, but let's go check out the living room area. So this is not a suite, but hey, this room is really, really, really large. So we got a nice couch here. Oh, by the way, we do have complimentary snacks here. The welcome amenities got basket of fruit. We also got coconut when we got off the seaplane, and the champagne. That's complimentary from the resort. Thank you very much. I like the TV. It looks like like an Apple monitor, right? But you know, the best thing is still this view here. Very large window. So should we go out first? You know what? Why don't we look at the bed first? Excuse me. So you do see a little bit of wear and tear on these switches, on these light switches, but we still have USB port and USB-C port as well. So that's nice. They probably upgraded it. Let's see, is there anything in here? Probably a flashlight. Oh, nope, nothing's in there. Okay, that was wrong. Nice king size bed. And here we have an iPad that basically controls everything. So we can, the cool thing is we can order room service right from the iPad, and it's got the price and everything, so that's nice. You can control TV, you can hook up your YouTube, better be watching my channel, subscribe and like, thank you very much. And yeah, you can also control everything else here in the room. This will be the central console of the room. Similar to Waldorf. I know I haven't posted the Waldorf video yet, but I will, rest assured. So yeah, let's go outside. Okay, wait, I have to open. There's a little latch here. All right, let's go outside. It's a bit breezy out here, but that's okay, because our butler told us, our butler Sarir, excuse me, told us that so it's low tide in the morning and the waves are much calmer. So in the morning, that would be the best time to go snorkel. So every room actually comes with a pool. So that's one of the good part of staying here. Not every resort in the Maldives comes with a pool as a standard amenity in the room, but this one does. So that's good. I love how they have 1, 2, 3, 4 hammocks. So that's quite nice. Usually there's only 1 or 2, so that's nice. I have 2 lounge chairs, very cool. And we have what do you call this? What do you call this? Leave a comment down below. Tell me what I should call this. Okay, so let me show you guys another cool feature, which is we have a outdoor shower. You got a shower head. You can kind of, you know, rinse yourself off of dripping before you go in. So this is quite a nice feature. Let's go down to the ocean. Again, it's quite rough right now, but yeah. So they told me that the good thing is this is quite shallow, actually, and the reef is just right here, right out here. So the house reef is just right out here, and you only go about 20 to 30 meters, and you can see the drop off, and that should be a good snorkeling place. So that's very nice. They also told me that this side is basically the sunset side, and that's why these are sunset villas. If you take a look from here, it's very nice. Okay, so let's go back up. And there's actually another entrance that goes right into the bathroom area. All right, so let's go and check out the bathroom area. So I think it's, oh, the sun's coming out. So here, that's a nice view here, and you can see where the water turns from shallow to deep, and that's probably the best snorkeling place, right at the cliff, right at the drop off right there. So yeah, as I was saying, a very cool feature is that you can just go straight from the pool into the bathroom. So you don't have to go through the living room and the bedroom and get everything wet. Believe me, some resorts are designed like that. Kind of bad design where you had to go through everything, but not here. So again, there's some wear and tear here. This is not the newest resort. So let us come in. Oh, the door's quite heavy. So we have complimentary snorkeling gear. Still have to try these on to make sure that they fit. Also the life vest as well. So let's check out the bathroom. All right, so here's the bathroom area. I can close the door behind me. Nice tub. It's an interesting shape as well, but definitely the view is the highlight here, of course. So over here we have a loofah, soap, all the amenities, and I think these are bath salts. Yep, correct, bath salts. So far everything is very nice. So I have the sink area, and what is this? Let's see. Cotton pads, okay. Awesome. Body lotion, facial wash, more bottled water. It's very nice. Dual sink. I expect nothing less. Oh, these interesting light fixtures. Again, if you know me, you know that I love interesting light fixtures, and these are it. Oh wow, love that. Looks like they're candles. Very nice. A lot of towels. I love. These must be the beach towels. More towels here, and here's the shower room. Let's take a look. Oh, it's from here. Yeah, you can tell that this is also my walkthrough, my first walkthrough as well. So rain shower, very nice, very tall, and we have the shower head here, and we have the shower amenities. Very nice. And over here we have the toilet. Awesome. Wonder if we're missing a robe, but that's okay. So one thing that you can do here at the St. Regis is you can send a text message to your butler. Basically, he will do any of the bookings for restaurants, for activities, or the spa. So he'll do that for you. Oh, there we go. Here's the other robe. So the life jackets are here. These are complimentary. The hats are also complimentary. Okay, oops. And the beach bag is complimentary. Then you can take it home. I don't think you can take the hats home. And the life jacket you have to leave here. Umbrellas are nice because sometimes they do have showers during the day. So it's nice to have the umbrellas. I think these are, oh, this is a safe here. This is a vanity, but this almost looked like a large desk. I mean, I can totally work in here. Probably feels more like an office feel to it, and you can see the ocean. Very nice. You can see. So we saw the mirror, and oh, got another mirror over here, and we can go out here back to the living room. So let's go. All right, so do you guys like it? Do you guys not like it? Make sure you leave a comment down below and let me know. And make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. So I can All right, now let's talk about something that everyone's been waiting, and that's the redemption situation here at St. Regis Maldives. How can we come here for a 5 nights vacation without taking a major hit in our wallet? That's right, a major hit it is. The Sunset Overwater Villa cost $3,315 per night during my stay. However, there's a way to greatly reduce that amount. Many people actually forget that Marriott Bonvoy has a special 5th night free program when using points. So, when you redeem points for a stay of 5 nights, they will always only charge you 4 nights worth of points. Let's do the math together. During my stay, a 1 night standard redemption is 104,000 points per night. But since I'm booking 5 nights, they only charge me 4 times of that amount, which comes out to be 416,000 points. And since Marriott points are commonly valued at 0.8 cents a piece, that comes out to be only $832 a night. Multiply that by 4 nights, I only pay $3,328 total for this beautiful villa. If I had paid the cash price, it would actually cost me $3,315 for 5 nights, which will be $16,575. And the crazy thing is, that's before tax and fees. So I really only paid the equivalent of 1 night in points to stay here for 5 nights. What a steal! Now, if you think this is helpful and want to learn more about how to use points for hotels and airfares, please consider subscribing to our channel. Alright guys, so there you have it. St. Regis Maldives. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Do you guys not like it? Do you guys like this kind of content where I actually come to the Maldives, somewhere super far, halfway across the world, to bring you guys these hotel and resort reviews? Let me know in the comment down below, and again, please like and subscribe to the channel because I want to hit 1,000 subscribers so I can bring you more of this kind of content. Alright, see you guys next time.